Hello, this is Juan with Hendrick Honda. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a tire. On most sedans, the replacement tire is in the rear trunk. So you just open up the trunk and raise the trunk tray to access the replacement tire. To remove the tire, you just unscrew it right here. And you place the screw in a safe location. Pick it up from the center towards you and place it in a secure location. So these are the tools most commonly used in replacing your spare tire. You have your jack in the center, your lug nut remover, and extension. First thing you want to do is open up your lug nut bag. Inside you'll find a lug nut key that you... Alright, first thing you want to do is identify your lug nut remover. You want to place it on the wheel lock. Right now I'm removing the wheel lock key. So you want to go about 4 turns into it and stop. And you want to do the same thing with the other lug nuts as well. So sometimes it's easier to pull up instead of push down. So just hold it with both hands and pull up. You want to loosen up the lug nuts and wheel lock while the vehicle is on the ground so that when you raise it and try to remove the tire, it won't spin. Okay, this is the jack made for this vehicle. Right here you have the top piece that's going to touch the vehicle. Down here you have the bottom piece that's going to touch the floor. And here you have the lever that you're going to turn for it to raise. If you feel down under, you'll find a rectangular tab where you're going to place your jack. Next, you want to place your jack right below the metal tab. You want to feel for it with your hand and slowly turn until it comes in contact with the vehicle. Next, you want to insert the tip of this round part into the circle. And then attach both of these tools together in order to help you raise it easily than using your hand. And you want to rotate towards the right. And as you're rotating, you'll see the rear tire raise. And you want to stop turning once you realize the tire is completely off the ground. After the vehicle is raised, you want to use your lug nut wrench and remove all the lug nuts carefully, starting with your wheel lock. Just like that. Place it down and begin with the other ones. Until you get all 5 off. You want to hold your tire securely when you're removing the last lug nut because it's going to move back. So once that happens, use both hands to remove the tire. So once you roll your spare tire, you're going to notice that the inside is hollow and the outside sticks out. Most vehicles will have a label on the outside, but if your car doesn't, that's okay. Next, you want to place the spare tire on the vehicle, lining up the holes with studs. Next, you're going to want to install your lug nuts. You're going to want to push back right in the center and install them one by spinning them to the right. So if you notice, I'm doing these with my fingers because they can easily be put on with your fingers instead of the tool. Next, you want to snug them just a little bit with your wrench. Next, you can lower your vehicle by turning it into the opposite direction. And once the vehicle is fully on the ground, you can use your fingers to place the jack back where it was. After the vehicle is on the ground, you're going to want to tighten up your lug nuts, starting with the wheel lock key. Tighten them as much as you can. Remember, these tires are only designed for a short time usage, so make sure to come into your local dealer as soon as possible. This is Juan with Hendrick Honda in Charlotte. Thanks for watching this video.